Hey guys, welcome back to the video. If you're not already a Break Fix Repair subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button for me, and if you like this video and it helps you, click that like button for me. Thank you! Great, so you've replaced your flood switch and it's fixed your issue. Give yourself one of these, give me one too while you're at it. So now what? Why did it happen and what can you do to prevent it in the future? Just follow these easy steps in this video and I'll help you try to prevent that in the future. So I'd like to break this video down into two parts. Things that you can do on a monthly basis, which is pretty easy to remember, just do it at the first of the month. The things that you can do every time you load your dishwasher. So on a monthly basis, the first thing that you want to do is take your filter out and clean it. Ugh. You'll also want to clean the base too. Ugh. You'll also want to inspect the filter. If there's any damage, you need to replace it. You don't want any big particles getting through to your dishwasher. You could cause a lot of damage to it. So this doesn't have to be perfect. Just use your sprayer arm off of your sink, spray this guy down really good, just get 90% of it and you'll be good to go. The point is, get the bulk of the buildup so that way your dishwasher flows freely or better, flows better. And then also clean the other part, the base that it sits down into. Just use a sprayer arm there, just get most of it, okay? Also, while you're in here, visually inspect your heating element for any damage. Just go all the way around the edges. You should look for any burnt places or any cracks or holes or any places where it looks like it's falling apart. If it's damaged, you need to replace it too. Number one, every month you need to be running a dishwasher cleaner through your dishwasher. What this is going to do is remove limescale and buildup, and it's super easy to do. You just open the package, open the little tablets, just take one, pop it just like in there, just like that. Run it empty. Or you can run it with dishes. So here's how you run it with dishes. Pop, pop. Just imagine that full, that's exactly what it says to do. You just throw it in the bottom, just make sure that you use a high quality dishwashing packet. And you run the dishwashing packet with it. So you run both of those at the same time. Hit your start button. Ooh, gosh, it's dirty. Clean that too. And there you go. The next thing, and here's why you need a dishwashing cleaner tablet and run it through on a monthly basis. You're gonna get limescale. Okay, I don't know if you can see this on there or not, but basically that's calcium buildup on my dishes. And it's probably because I haven't put rinse aid in it or I'm low on rinse aid. I fill this up monthly, but sometimes I forget, so it's probably time for me to add more. But this is gonna help you if you use a good high quality rinse aid on a monthly basis. It's gonna help reduce limescale, okay? But what you don't see, that's primarily for the dishes. Of course, inside of it, it helps too, but there's still gonna be calcium buildup, and that's what your dishwashing cleaner is gonna help get rid of. Powers away limescale and mineral buildup inside of your dishwasher. So it's gonna help maintain the dishwasher and get rid of all those bad minerals that don't need to be there. So the next thing, every time that you load your dishes, make sure you rinse them off. Some people are gonna tell you, don't rinse them off. But you need to rinse them off, okay? Here's why. Inside your flood switch, there's a little ball and a little cylinder, and when water rises, it floats up, okay? Not all of the stuff that goes through that filter, I don't know if you can see it, but you can poke little tiny holes through that filter. It's got, it's not made to catch super tiny small things, just big stuff, okay? So things like grease are gonna get trapped inside of your flood switch or float switch, and it's gonna cause it to break, okay? So you wanna rinse that off beforehand. But here's the other problem with that. If you've got a septic tank and you start rinsing all the grease off, there's nothing really there to break that stuff down. So you're gonna need another product. The next thing you're gonna wanna do is, because you've rinsed off all your dishes into your sink, you've got grease and food particles and stuff like that. So you're gonna need another product. And this is one by Green Gobbler, it's called BioFlow. And basically it's these little tiny strips that you just push down and they fall down into the trap of your drain. And I don't know if you can see it on the back, but that's basically what happens. You stick the little strip down in there, it falls down into the trap, and as water goes through, it dissolves into that stick dissolves into the water. and it's got enzymes and bacteria, good bacteria, that are released within this strip, and it eats the grease. It actually breaks down the grease. So I don't know if you know much about grease, but it's not good for pipes. It sits down into the pipes and creates a ring, a big white nasty ring, and if you've ever cleaned it out, it's disgusting. It's really disgusting. So do yourself a favor, get some of these. I'll link them down below. They're like dirt cheap, okay? Get you some of these, pop them in there once a month. Just do it easy, do it on the first of the month, make it happen. Just like this. And in your bathroom. That's what came out of the pipes. Throw this in there too, but if you've got a garbage disposal, this company also makes garbage disposal cleaning packets, as well as washing machine cleaning packets, and you should be doing both of these once a month. So the next thing you're going to want to be doing, number 3, whatever number it was, taking some rinse aid, put it on a paper towel, and you're going to clean the inside seal on your dishwasher. Super easy, just like that. You're gonna wanna do this once a month. And the reason is, you're getting gunk, all kinds of stuff, and you're gonna do it just like that. That easy. You're gonna get rid of all that junk, okay? That's gonna help your dishwasher meet and keep your dishwasher from leaking. You don't want it to leak. The next thing, every other month, every 6 months, just whenever you feel like you need to, just inspect this at least once a month. But you're gonna pull this guy off, the sprayer jet, and you're gonna see all these little places. You wanna try to clean those out with a little pick set, okay? I'll put a little pick set that I think will work pretty good in the description below. But you're gonna wanna clean this out, that way you've got good power to clean your dishes. And if you've got, for every sprayer, you wanna clean out every single sprayer. So not just the primary one, but the primary, the secondary, and then the tertiary, the third one, if you got it. And that's it, guys. I really hope this video helps you. If it does, give me one of these and hit that subscribe button for me. I'll put a link to all these products in the description below. That way they're easy for you to find and easy for you to go get. That way there's no guessing. They're exactly what you need right down below.